So we hope you enjoy Fly Me to the Moon. All right. This is Fly Me to the Moon. Zach, take it away. Zach Wassman, everyone. Fly me to the moon, let me play among the stars. Let me see what spring is like on Jupiter and Mars. In other words, hold my hand. In other words, baby, kiss me. Fill my heart with song. Let me sing forevermore, because you are all I long for, all I worship and adore. In other words, you know, please be true, baby. Why don't you? In other words, I love you. I know we just met, but we love you, Fresno, already.
Seamus mentioned earlier that he missed one rehearsal. Well, Nathan, do you want to show him what we did in that beautiful hour and a half? Listen closely. Okay. I mean, to me personally, that sounds like a totally different song. I don't know though. At first I was afraid, I was petrified, thinking that I couldn't go on living without you by my side. But then I spent so many nights thinking of how you did me wrong, and I grew strong. I learned how to get along without your back. From outer space, this ain't Dixie. I just walked in your body here with that sad look upon your face. I should have changed that stupid lie. I should have made you leave a key. If I'd have known for just 1 second, you'd be about to bother me. Come on now, go. Walk out the door. Just turn around now. No, you're not welcome anymore. Once you were the one who tried to hurt me with pride, you think I'd crumble. You think I'd lay down and die. You know not I will survive. Oh, as long as I know how to love, I know what's tonight. I got all my life to live. Yeah, I got all my love to give. I will survive. Sam Marksberger. My goodness, how about that?
Fill my heart with song. Let me sing forevermore, because you are all I long for, all I worship and adore. In other words, please be true. In other words, in other words, I love you. Give it up for Sam Augsburger, everyone.